Myself, Basuraj Chogla. Good afternoon, everyone. Now, today we'll see the topic on universal gates. NAND gate and NOR gates are universal gates. Why those are called universal gates? You all know that realization of all logic gates as well as the any logic expression we can do using NAND and NOR. Therefore, those are called universal gates. Let us check first all logic gates using NAND gate realization. Okay, first gate you know all, it is not gate. Not gate. Okay, what is a not gate symbol? You know, y is equal to a bar. Y is equal to a bar. Okay, the same expression I can write like a dot a and whole bar. Okay, this is a and an inversion. This is NAND gate implementation. Now but inputs are same, therefore minimum inputs for NAND gate are 2. NAND gate, if I draw here, you can see this is a NAND gate, but inputs are 2 inputs. Therefore, both I can short and connect it to A. And NOT gate has a single input and single output. The same way, A is the input, Y is output. And NAND gate, if I use, I need to connect or short both the inputs so that both will become A input, and here I will get it as a dot a whole bar, nothing but a bar. This is how NOT gate implemented using NAND. Understood? Okay. You should remember NOT gate how to implement, because this NOT gate or complement, this we are using further. Okay, all other implementations we are using every time NOT gate wherever required. Okay, now second one, AND gate. AND gate, how AND gate is implemented? First let us know the logic expression for AND gate. Y equal to AB, it is AB. We are implementing NAND. Okay, we need a implementation using NAND gate means we can use only NAND gates, but expression output Y should be equal to AB. Okay, therefore 2 times complement if I use, it will not change the expression. Therefore 2 times complement I will take, and this is a dot b bar is an AND, and in front of that one inversion. Okay, this expression is enough for me to implement. Therefore A and B both are connected to NAND gate. Okay, this is an AND gate. Here it will be a dot b whole bar, and in front of this one NOT gate. NOT gate is, this is how we have implemented NOT gate. Okay, therefore short the inputs and connect it to NAND gate. Okay, this is Y equal to a dot b whole bar whole bar. This is what a y equal to, this is how y equal to a dot b. Okay, understood? This is how we implement the AND gate. This is NAND, and in front of that one NOT gate implementation of the NAND. If we use, we get the AND gate. Are you getting this? Did you understand? Now similarly I'll go for OR gate. OR gate is what logic expression we have. OR gate, y equal to a plus b. Okay, now therefore I use the 2 times complement for this so that it will not change expression, double complement. Now De Morgan's theorem if I apply, complement of sum is equal to product of complements, a bar dot b bar and whole bar. Now a bar b bar I can implement using this NAND gate. Okay, and then dot and whole bar. Therefore this expression is enough for me to implement. Therefore I will get the NAND gate input short and get it. This A will become a bar. Now similarly B also, I can get the B bar for from that. This is a B bar. Did you understand this? NOT gate implementation we have done beginning only. Okay, therefore a bar dot b bar and then whole bar. That is what these two inputs are connected to one more NAND gate. This is how I get Y. This is a bar dot b bar whole bar. This is what we got here. Therefore Y is equal to A plus B. Did you understand this? Similarly, I can go for now NOR gate. NOR gate using NAND. NOR gate expression is what? Y equal to A plus B whole bar. This is a NOR. Okay, therefore I can show this as a complement of sum is equal to product of complements. Okay, and then after that I need to use the double complement. A bar B bar, 2 times complement I will use. This is my expression. Here I can understand that A bar B bar I can implement using this NAND gate, and then dot and complement it is a NAND, and in front of that one more inverter. Did you understand this? Therefore I can go for A and the short inputs, and this is A bar, this is A bar, and B short the inputs, and then I am getting this as a B bar, A bar, B bar, and these two are connected to one more NAND gate. I am bringing this expression. This is A bar dot B bar whole bar. Now, but one more complement is there. Therefore, I will connect the NOT gate implementation here, and I make that as a Y. This is nothing but a bar dot B bar. Okay, A bar dot B bar, and 2 times complement, and this is nothing but a Y equal to A plus B, A plus B whole bar. Y equal to A plus B whole bar I will get. Did you get this NOR gate implementation? Now similarly, XOR gate. XOR gate. XOR gate, you know all. Expression is what? Y equal to A bar B plus A B bar. Okay. Now apply for this 2 times complement. Okay. So that expression will remain same. Then complement of sum is, I will write A bar B, okay, dot A B bar whole bar, and then one more. Okay, this I can implement A bar. This A bar dot B whole bar is a NAND gate. A dot B bar whole bar is a NAND gate. Again, this is a NAND gate. Therefore, this expression is sufficient for me to implement the NAND gate. Therefore, I will get A bar. This is a bar here. Okay, and then B. Okay, therefore this will be A bar dot B whole bar, and here similarly I can do A, and B bar will be, I can show that with this is B bar, this is B bar A, and then NAND gate, this is A dot B bar whole bar. Okay, and both are connected to one NAND gate, both the inputs. This is Y. Therefore, Y equal to, I will get the A bar dot B bar, A bar dot B whole bar dot A B bar whole bar and whole bar. Okay, therefore this will be A XOR B. This is how it is implemented. Understood? Did you get this? How NAND implementation is done?
Yes, sir.
Now let us see the similarly NOR gate. NOR gate is also similar way. Using NOR gate, how to implement the logic gates. First we need to take the expression, logic expression for not, and, or, and then bring it in the form of NOR expression, and then put the logic gates for that. Okay, now realization of all logic gates using NOR gate. First one again, NOT gate. First one is NOT gate. Okay, NOT gate, you have y equal to a bar. The same thing I can write it as a plus a whole bar. Okay, both are same. Therefore, I can use the NOR gate and short the inputs, and this will be a. This will be a. This will be a. Therefore, a plus a whole bar, that is y. Therefore, y is equal to a bar. This is how it is implemented. Okay, NOT gate using NOR gate. Now this implementation is required for the further AND gate, OR gate implementations. Okay, let us take now AND gate. AND gate expression is what? Y equal to AB. Okay, now take 2 times complement, and then complement of product is sum of complements, a bar plus b bar and whole bar y. Now a bar I can implement like this, b bar also I can implement, and both the inputs are given to NOR gate because plus and complement. Therefore a, short the inputs of NOR gate, and I'll get the a bar. B, b bar. Okay, now these inputs are connected to inputs of NOR gate. Okay, therefore it is y is equal to a bar plus b bar whole bar. This is nothing but y equal to AB. That is what we have got here, a bar plus b bar whole bar. That is what this from AB. Okay, now similarly let us see the OR gate. OR gate expression is what? Y equal to a plus b. Therefore 2 times complement if I take, it will not change anything expression. Therefore 2 times complement. It is a plus b whole bar is an OR gate, and one more is a NOT gate implementation. Therefore a b. This is a plus b whole bar, and in front of that one complement means NOT gate. This is y is equal to a plus b whole bar. Therefore I'll get y equal to a plus b. I'll get a plus b. Okay, now similarly I will implement the NAND gate now. NAND gate using NOR. NAND gate expression is what? Y equal to a dot b whole bar. Okay, a dot b whole bar. Therefore I can write this as a bar plus b bar. Complement of product is sum of complements. That is a De Morgan's theorem. Therefore here I can use the 2 times complement of this to get the NOR, 1 and 2, and therefore y. Now therefore I can get the NOR implementation. NOT gate inverter I can implement easily. First we have done that only. A bar. Here B, I will use that also. Here as a B bar, and both are connected to NOR gate. Okay, here it is A bar plus B bar whole bar, and in front of that one more NOT gate is there. NOT gate I can implement with a NOR by shorting its input. This is Y. Okay, therefore Y is equal to A bar plus B bar whole bar and whole bar. That is what Y. Therefore is equal to A dot B whole bar. That is what we have derived from here to this. And same thing I can say this is a Y equal to AB bar. This is how NAND gate is implemented. Now let us see the XOR gate. XOR gate. Okay. XOR gate can be implemented. First let us write the expression Y equal to A bar B plus A B bar. Okay, this is the XOR gate. Therefore Y equal to let us put the 2 times complement in front of that expression, above the expression. Okay, therefore this complement of sum is equal to product of complement. For that this will be, I can write it as a this way I can do, as well as this also I can write. Let it be this, and then A bar B I can write. Can I write like this? A plus B whole bar, A plus B whole bar, and the complement. A bar dot B can be written as A plus B bar whole bar. Okay, this is a 1 plus A B bar can be written as A bar plus B whole bar. Okay, and then this is 2 times complement. I have written for A bar B. Okay, this is like 2 times complement. If you take, it will be like this. Okay, A plus B bar. I have reduced the steps. That's it, nothing else. Okay, now this is also a NOR, this is also a NOR, this is a NOR, and this is a NOR. Okay, therefore this is how I can draw. This will be written as like A B B bar. Okay, this can be taken as a NOR. This is like A plus B bar whole bar. Now similarly I'll take this also. This is A bar and then B. This is B. Therefore A bar plus B whole bar. Okay, then these two are connected to one NOR gate. And then in front of this, one more complement. This is Y. This is how XOR gate is implemented with the NOR gates. Did you understand this? Did you get this?
Yes, sir.
Let us see the one Boolean expression. Okay. Now, for example, Y equal to AB plus CD plus E. Realize using NAND gate. Realize the expression using NAND gate. Okay, for that how to implement this using NAND gate is first expression, it is AB plus CD plus E, 2 times complement I will use, 2 times complement I will use. Okay, therefore this expression complement of sum is product of complement, therefore AB bar dot CD bar dot E bar, and above this one complement. This is an AND gate, this is an AND gate, this is a inverter I can implement, and these all three inputs are connected to NAND gate. You can say this dot is AND, and in front of that one complement is an AND. Okay, now this expression once I get, then I will draw the logic gates. It is A, B, this will be now AB bar. Okay, now C and D will get this as a CD bar, and one more is a E will be, this is E bar. Now all three are connected to the 3 input NAND gate. 3 input NAND gate. This is Y equal to AB bar, CD bar, and E bar, and above one complement. This is how implemented using NAND gates. Did you understand this? Okay. Okay. Now one more using NOR gate we'll see. Implement the following boolean function using NOR gate. F equal to C bar plus A and C bar plus B. Okay, how to do this? First we'll apply the 2 times complement to this. Okay, this expression they are not told to simplify, they said just implement the following boolean function using NOR gate. Therefore I will apply the 2 times complement to this whole expression, and then I will just take this as a complement of product. Therefore C plus A whole bar plus C bar plus B whole bar. This is what complement of product is equal to sum of complement. This is the first step, and whole expression one complement. Now this inverter I can implement C bar. This C bar also I can implement with an OR. This is an OR gate. This is an OR gate. This is a one more NOR gate. This is how I can do. Okay. Therefore C bar. Okay. And then A will be taken here. And this is a NOR gate. Here C bar plus A whole bar. This is the one thing. Next further one more C bar is there. From here I will take, and this is B. Okay, therefore here it will be C bar plus B whole bar. Okay, now these two are connected to one more NOR gate. Okay, and therefore I can get this. This is what now? C bar plus A whole bar plus it is C bar plus B whole bar and then whole bar. Okay, this is the expression F. Did you understand this? This is how you can implement any logic expression. This one how we implemented using NOR, or this one using NAND gate. Okay. Any doubts still here?
No, sir.
Okay. Next is adders. Next point is adders. Adders, you all know that binary addition we have seen. Okay. Adders is related to binary number of the binary addition. Now I can add this 1, 1, 1. Okay. 1, 0, 0, 1. When I'm adding this, I will get the 1 plus 1, 0, and then carry 1, and then 1 plus 1 plus 0 is 0, and then 1 carry 1, 0 and 1 carry, and then 1 and then 1. Okay, if you see here I am adding the only 2 bits, but after this whatever carry is generated, I am getting the 3 bits. Okay, means in binary addition, we required to add either 2 bits or 2 bits and carry propagated or from the previous bit. Okay, here carry whatever we are getting, that will be added to the these 2 bits, means total 2 inputs and previous carry. Therefore total there are 3 bits. Either 2 input adder is required or 3 input adder is required, building block is required, and those they have named it as a one is half adder they say. Okay, and another they say full adder, they say it as a full adder. Half adder is 2 inputs, two outputs. Okay, and full adder is a 3 inputs, 2 outputs. Okay, let us see one by one. Half adder. Okay, if I show the block diagram, half adder will be like, I am drawing the block diagram. Half adder, 2 inputs and 2 outputs. It is A, B, like this. Whatever I have shown here, no, 2 inputs are there, A and B. Okay, one bit, single bit. It is a 1 bit adder. These all are 1 bit adders only. Okay, these are 1 bit adders only, but inputs will be 2 inputs, 2 1 bit inputs, you can say. And here output will be sum and carry, C out. You can say this is sum and this is a carry from this. Okay, for that if I put the truth table, A, B possibilities, what are the possibilities? I will just check sum and C out. A, B inputs can be have, it can have what? 4 combinations, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. If I add 0, 0, what I will get the sum? 0 plus 0. What is the sum and carry?
0.
0 sum, carry 0. This I say sum, this I say carry. Therefore 0 sum, carry 0. 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1. Sum is
1.
and carry 0. Therefore, sum is 1, carry 0. Similarly, 1 plus 0 it is, sum is 1, carry 0. 1 plus 1, sum is 0, carries 1. Okay, therefore, sum is 0 and carries 1. Okay. Okay. Now, if I want to implement this half adder, I need a logic expression. I need to design the digital circuit. Means this is a digital circuit. I need a logic expression. Logic expression for sum. I will write sum equal to what? 0, 1, 1, 0. If you see here, it is a XOR gate truth table. This is a XOR gate truth table. Or also, you can just check the 1. Wherever 1 is there, no? Wherever 1. For that, write the expression like 1 means it is a bar b. Wherever 0 is there, take a complement of that variable. And 1 is as it is. Therefore, this will be like, I can say a bar b. This will be a bar b for this. And similarly for this, can you tell? 1 letter.
AB bar.
Yes, exactly. Plus a b bar. Okay, this is the logic expression for sum. You can easily write. Okay, therefore, this I can say a XOR b. It is expression of XOR gate. Now C out. Can you tell C out? Here 1 is here for this.
AB.
AB, exactly. It is a AND gate. It is a AND gate. You can see if both the inputs are 1, output is 1. As well as from 1 also, any truth table, if you have these kind of expression, you can easily write the logic expression from the, wherever 1 is there, write the input variables. 1 you take as it is. If it is 0, take a complement. Therefore, C out carry can be implemented with the AND gate and sum can be implemented with the XOR gate. Therefore, if I want to draw the logic diagram, now before we have seen only block diagram here. This is a block diagram. Now logic diagram will be XOR gate A and B. This is sum A XOR B, and AND gate will be what? It is a C out AB. Okay, this is a logic diagram. Now if I ask you to draw the half adder using only basic gates means it will be a bar we need to take, b we need to take, plus a b bar, and then ab. Therefore I can show that also using basic gates. A will be, this is a bar, and then b, therefore this will be now a bar b, and after that a and b bar. Okay, this is a and b bar here. This will be a and b bar, and both are connected to OR gate. This is connected to OR gate. This is sum. Okay, here it is a bar b plus a b bar. This is a sum. Okay, and AND gate will be, I can show a and b. This is C out AB. You can connect here either if it is a space is there, otherwise you can show separately. That is also okay. From here you can connect A and B. From here you can take both, you can combine and do, but here space is not there, for that I have shown separately. That's it. This is using basic gates, and this is a using XOR gate and AND gate. Okay, did you understand this? Half adder is having the two inputs, two outputs. What are the two inputs? A, B, that is a single bit. If you see the addition of the binary number you have seen. Okay, like that. A, B inputs, and sum and C out are the outputs. Sum and carry are the outputs. A, B, and 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. And sum is, we'll get from 0 plus 0 is a sum is 0, carry is 0. 0 plus 1, sum is 1, carry is 0. 1 plus 0 it is, sum is 1, carry 0. 1 plus 1, sum 0, carry 1. Okay, and from that we get the logic expression for wherever 1 is there. Here you can see wherever 1 is there. For that I am writing the expression. How it will be written? It will be like a bar b. This is a b bar. A bar b plus a b bar. Similarly, for here if you see it is 1 is only here. For that 1 means a b. 1 is there as it is, you take the variable. If it is a 0, take a complement of that variable. That's it. Okay. Now let me explain the full adder now. Similar way. Okay. Second one is full adder. What is the time now? It is 3:49. Okay, we'll stop here because already it is time. Time is up. Okay. Next class will be at 4. For that, we'll stop here. Thank you.